Hey everyone! I know many of you are facing the challenges of monetizing your YouTube channels. It's tough to reach that milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But today, I'm diving into an experiment on my own channel. I'll be testing out Fiverr services to see if they can help me achieve monetization. And here's the exciting part. I'll be spending some money on Fiverr for you guys, so we can see together if these services really make a difference. Let's get started.
So as many of you know, this is my second channel. You can check out the videos and views over here. I will be doing experiment on this channel. So I haven't been consistently working on it, so my analytics aren't great right now. Currently, I just have 945 subscribers and 690 watch hours, as you can see over here. So I actually want to see if I can get this channel monetized using Fiverr services or not. So let's get started and see if it works or not. First, I'll go to Fiverr and sign up. So I have successfully created an account. Now I'll search for services related to YouTube promotion. The best part is that most services on Fiverr are organic and authentic, avoiding fraudulent or robotic methods, but let's try and test it out. So here I have got so many services related to YouTube promotion, but obviously I have to select the best ones. So after searching a lot, I found a service that says I will promote a YouTube video to real audience. So its basic plan starts at $10, promoting to an audience of 1,000 plus people, and the standard plan is for $30 for 3,000 plus people. Also, the seller uses Google Ads, which can be obviously beneficial for my channel as well. So if you see the reviews, they are also good, and overall this service seems to be a good choice, but obviously we'll look for some other services as well before selecting. Next, I found another service that says I will do premium video promotion to gain views. Okay, so their basic plan is for $10 for an audience size of 10,000, which is quite large as compared to the first one, and the delivery time is 3 days. Okay. Also, their standard plan is for $20 and their premium plan starts for $50 with audience size of 50k audience, which is I think quite large and reasonable as well. So this seller is also using Google Ads for the promotion, and if we see the reviews are also good and the overall service seems to be quite impressive. Now before moving forward, I shortlisted a third service. This one says I will promote your YouTube videos to targeted YouTube viewers. Okay, this seller offers an audience size of 15,000 for $10 and promotes videos on high traffic sites and blogs. The reviews are also good. So if I compare the standard packages of these three services, the first one offers 3,000 audience size for $30. The second one offers 20,000 audience size for $20, and the third one offers 30,000 audience size for $20. So this third service seems the most convincing, so I'll choose it. You can also contact and chat with the seller if you have any queries. I opted for the premium plan with an audience size of 80,000 for $60. Then I placed the order and provided the necessary information that was required. And here my order has been successfully placed. Then I simply waited, and after 4 days my video got massive reach and views, around 9,000 views and some watch time as well. I also gained 56 subscribers, which are fewer but they are organic, so totally acceptable. Now let's try another service. This seller claims I will do organic YouTube promotion for channel monetization. Okay, so their basic plan is for $15, which claims to complete 30% of channel monetization. The standard plan is for $30, which covers 60%, and the premium plan claims to achieve 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay. So I checked the reviews and they are also good. Then I contacted the seller before proceeding, and he said he couldn't complete all the watch time but could provide 1,000 subscribers through organic means for just $11 in 5 days. So without wasting a second, I accepted the offer and I paid $11, which were very reasonable if it actually works. So after 3 days, when I checked my channel, I got 1,000 plus subscribers and 1,000 plus views with some watch time, which was quite amazing. The subscribers were organic and genuine and non-dropped as well. So I give this service a 10 by 10. Like literally, this was amazing. With subscribers done, now I just need some more watch time to achieve my monetization requirements. Then I found another interesting service that promotes videos to 176k Tumblr followers. It offers one video promotion twice on their blog for $5, 2 videos for $10 and 4 videos for $20. The reviews are amazing, so I bought their premium service for $20 to promote 4 of my videos. I provided my video links and descriptions and it was done. Then a day later, my channel was getting views and watch time like crazy. To be honest, this service boosted my channel a lot. Actually, my channel was dead when I started, but after taking these 3 services from Fiverr, actually my channel has boosted a lot and it has started gaining subscribers and views as well. So let's see what happens next. After leaving my channel for almost 10 days, I returned to find my subscribers and watch time completed. This was crazy. My channel was now eligible to apply for monetization and I cannot express how happy I was when I saw this. So I applied, created an AdSense account and waited for the review, which usually takes around 2 to 4 weeks. I will also mention the link of this channel in the description box. You can go and check it out. In short, I got my channel monetized in just 2 weeks for just $90 using organic methods. So here is my review for the services I bought from Fiverr. The first service boosted my channel's overall performance with Google Ads, but it's not ideal for watch time since YouTube doesn't count watch time from ads. But if you want to get views or want to get a good reach or some amount of organic subscribers, then this service is good, but not ideal for watch time. The second service is a big yes. It helped me with views, watch time and most of all with the subscribers. The third service was amazing for views and completing my watch time. So this was my personal experience and an honest review that I gave you by experimenting on my channel and spending some amount. But remember, the quality of your videos also matters if you want to get views and watch time through these services, because obviously audience interest also matters. So good luck with your channel monetization journey. I'll mention the links to these services in the description below. You can check them out and use them for your channel.